Hi guys, it's Bex again and welcome back to another video. Today I was sculpting on this character here just for some hair practice as well, and I often stumble across some problems in ZBrush like this here, and then sometimes you want to smooth and then you get this here. And I remember that when I started with ZBrush I had these problems all the time and I just really wanted to sculpt, but I couldn't because this kept happening, and then I had to go out and find out what is this. And so yeah, I just thought maybe it would be easy just to show it here in one video how to solve the problems. So this happens, this up here happens when you sculpt and it becomes too thin, and then you dynamesh and then it creates the holes here. Okay, so if I have the clay build-up brush here and I go and sculpt, and let's say that I do like this, then you can see here it's gonna pull out, and then when you dynamesh it appears here. Okay, so here's what you want to remember when this happens. If you go to brush, and this is only for this brush setting, you can go down to auto masking, and then here we have the back face masking. If you turn this one on and you do like this, it's not gonna make the same kind of hole. So you're more stable, you don't get this kind of weird thing going on. And the way to fix this, if you didn't bag it up or you worked for a long time, is to use the inflate brush. Yes, so I just pressed BIN. This is a bit weird brush, I don't actually use it that much, but it's kind of pulling out here, so they're crossing over, and then when you dynamesh it should like close the holes. But I do sometimes use, instead of using the brush, I actually go down to here geometry, and then deformation tab, so you have all the tabs here, and then here we have the inflate, but it inflates everything except if you, I think if you mask it, actually I don't know if this works. Yeah, it inflates this part in here, and I feel like that's my workaround. I like to use that instead. Yeah, so that was the first thing. You get this, so you solve this problem here, and then for the hair or something you smooth, you sometimes end up with this tiny piece of geometry, and then you just keep smoothing and nothing is going to disappear, or you can always mask it and then delete hidden. But instead I actually just choose to hold the smooth button, and then I activate Sculptus Pro, and then you can just smooth it away. It's super easy, just remember to turn it off again, otherwise you will, I can show you here. So yeah, so what it does is to up the poly count in the area you are painting, and it's very nice for the details if you don't want to go too high, but you dynamesh and it disappears. So here, Sculptus Pro, and you just doodle it away. And now I actually happen to do it on the wrong model because I just wanted you to see it here. So this is the fix. Sculptus Pro. It can come in handy in many ways. That was 2 problems I think I stumbled a lot on when I started in ZBrush, and I hoped it helped you a lot. So I don't have any more to say. I just hope you keep doing ZBrush and keep practicing and try to, yeah, just be you and make nice art. So have a nice day guys, and thank you so much for watching my video, and smash a like and subscribe if you want more from me. Thank you so much. Bye.